This is my trip to New York, the city I always want to visit for so long. This is a noisy city, a city that never sleeps. Shine or rain, people is walking everywhere. Tourists come here from all over the world. You will see street food everywhere. Vendors selling hot dogs, mangoes, and other snacks. One of my favorite things to see and enjoy are those free concerts from musicians on the streets. The city offers many attractions to tourists, but I'm not gonna show you museums, fancy stores, expensive restaurants. I wanna show you those spots where you don't need a lot of money because the city is very expensive. Todos tratando de hacer negocios. Por supuesto, en Nueva York encuentran todos lados los famosos hot dogs, estilo Nueva York. Paseos en bicicleta, paseos en carreta. This is Central Park, a beautiful place to visit. It's by Manhattan. Here I found a guitar player singing one of my favorite songs. Shine down like water. I don't know, have you ever seen the rain? And I don't know, have you ever seen the rain? I don't know, have you ever seen the rain? And I don't know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Now I am visiting the Little Italy. It's a neighborhood in Lower Manhattan. In the 1900s, Little Italy had almost 10,000 Italians. That was the peak of the community's Italian population. So many residents have moved to Brooklyn, but the little village is still a beautiful place to visit. Caminar por esta ciudad, por este lugar de la pequeña Italia, es bonito. Vienen para acá, pues un paseo a la pequeña Italia en Nueva York. Aquí estamos con los famosos gelatos, ricos sabores. Aquí la familia comprando. Cannoli World. Estos son los sabores. Que tienen la cereza, base de fruta, mango. Voy a probar un cannoli, que es como un taquito dorado, pero estos amigos le pusieron cereza. Deja ver. Super good. Tico Italiano, the best ice cream gelato ever. You don't need to go to Cuba to get cigars. Come here. These cigars, I can tell you, they are great. I spent a good time in this neighborhood. Little Village is always a great place to visit. Besides food, wine, and desserts, Little Village is an amazing place to stop by. Not far from Little Italian Village is Chinatown, another great neighborhood to visit.
£1 rambutan. £1.
Esta es fruta del dragón. Es muy deliciosa. Los mangos, fresas. Hello. How you doing? La verdad no sé cómo se llama eso. No me puedo acercar mucho a la mesa donde juegan. Al parecer todos juegan diferentes tipos de juegos, pero el más popular es el del póker. Así es como se juega. The song they were singing, it sounds so beautiful, but I didn't know what they were saying, but I enjoy it. I spent great time in these neighborhoods in New York City. In my next videos, I will show you more what I did in this city. So thank you for watching it and see you then. Thank you.